Hernia is a technical term for a hole in the abdominal wall, or the intestines which are there in the abdomen. They're coming out of their path. There is an inguinal canal in the groin of your area where they can point. In a lot of males, we see this. In a lot of women who've had very heavy term babies, or who've had a lot of problems, or twins, we see umbilical hernia. Hernia is typically the movement of the intestines into a canal which is not where they belong. In the very early stages, homeopathy can definitely manage it. But do not make the mistake of taking homeopathic medication till a point where the hernia actually is becoming a big bag outside your body. Hello, I am Dr.Surekha Tiwari. I am a practicing homeopath and a psychological counselor. I practice out of Bangalore and I have patients all over the world. It's been a 35-year-old journey and it's a wonderful one. Hernia is a technical term for a hole in the abdominal wall, or the intestines which are there in the abdomen. They're coming out of their path. There is an inguinal canal in the groin of your area where they can point. In a lot of males, we see this. In a lot of women who've had very heavy term babies, or who've had a lot of problems, or twins, we see umbilical hernia. Hernia is typically the movement of the intestines into a canal which is not where they belong. So hernia is essentially a surgical condition. But if hernia is diagnosed early, if hernia is just about starting, if the pouch of the intestines can be felt. How are they felt? Is because when you cough, you can see an impulse in there. And generally, you will realize that there would be a history of some abdominal issues. It could be pregnancy, it could be constipation, it could be a lot of gas issues, it could be a whole lot of belly fat. In all such cases, we see hernia happening. But even the very early stages, homeopathy can definitely manage it. But do not make the mistake of taking homeopathic medication till a point where the hernia actually is becoming a big bag outside your body. So if any one of you has hernia and you're planning to go for a homeopathic treatment, then please understand that it is only in the first stage where this ball has just about arrived and you can feel that something is not regular. You can treat it. But if it is becoming a bigger patch, it is always a good idea to take a surgical opinion. And the surgery of hernia is not that complicated. Generally, with improvement of further lifestyle and making sure that surgery is done, it can be dealt with.